Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
It is a wet evening out there, and it's going to get even wetter later on tonight as the rain picks up. Our forecast headlines for the next 7 days. Stormy weather is on the way late tonight through the overnight hours. We will be drying out over the next 7 days after tonight and early tomorrow. And there's a big cold snap on the way next week. But tomorrow is going to be very warm. We will have a few showers early in the morning, about 40% chance. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and they won't go up a whole lot tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to be a warm day. Highs in the mid 70s, hopefully some sunshine will take us through the afternoon. Tonight, though, we do have a small chance for some severe weather here in the CSRA. Off to the west, that's a 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, a slight risk. We're in the marginal category here in the NBC 26 viewing area, and all that means is if we get severe weather, it's going to be very isolated in nature. Our greatest chance of severe weather is damaging winds, and there have been a couple of tornadoes today back to the west, so that threat not completely off the table either. Here's a look at our Doppler radar over the past hour or so. Notice our showers and thunderstorms immediately are moving in from the south and the southwest. Off to the west, everything is moving from the west to the east, and this will be the line of thunderstorms we're watching for. It's only advancing to the east at about 15 miles per hour, so it is going to take a while for that to get here. So for a lot of us, I think especially over in the South Carolina side of our area, it's going to be overnight tonight when we could have a few thunderstorms rumbling through. Right now in our live tower cam, it's just some good old-fashioned rain. Winds at the surface from the southeast at 11 miles per hour. And remember, some of that rain was moving from the west, and that tells you the winds are changing direction with height. And that's why there is that small threat for tornadoes, and that wind shear, we call it, does create the severe thunderstorms as well. But it is a very minimal threat overnight tonight. Right now, muggy in Sylvania. It almost feels like summertime. Your temperature is 70 degrees. Same thing into Thomson. Scattered, mainly light rain right now, but that line of heavier rain will move through the area overnight. Here's a look at it on our forecast tracker model. 11 o'clock tonight, isolated severe thunderstorms possible. Could be as soon as 9 o'clock in the evening for our western counties. Over to the east into Barnwell and Allendale, your chance for an isolated severe storm could linger until about 5 o'clock in the morning. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. Cold front passing through, possibly a few lingering showers, but if we have any rain tomorrow, I think it's going to be very early in the day. This is lunchtime tomorrow. The northern counties getting some sunshine, we hope. It's going to be a westerly wind tomorrow, and that's a downsloping warm wind, so even though a cold front came through, you're not going to feel it until tomorrow night and into Friday when it's going to be just a little bit cooler. Heavy rain is the biggest story with this storm system. This is our rainfall forecast basically for overnight tonight. Looks like an inch or more of rain is going to be a safe bet. Over to the east into Barnwell, Bamberg, Allendale, and Sylvania. Looks like you could have 2, maybe 2.5 inches of rain overnight tonight. Here's your forecast. 100% chance of rain. A very warm night. 68 the low in Swainsboro, 64 in Barnwell. For Thursday, 40% chance of rain early in the day, 76 in Louisville, 75 in Allendale. Here is your 7-day forecast. We'll have a second cold front come through for the weekend. That one will be dry, but it will be very cold. Highs only in the mid-50s by Sunday and Monday. Lows in the 20s by Sunday night.
Really be kicking the heat on then.
Yeah, Thanksgiving next week is going to cool off.
All right, thanks, Chris.